Lee, it's third or fourth day of practice. We had to sure.
Groundhog Day.
Groundhog Day. Let's have a bit of a roundup of practice week. How's it been?
We've got back a few times and we haven't got back a few times, so it's been it's been more good than bad, to be honest. Tonight's been really good. I got my second flying lap on the RC45. I think we did 118 or 19 or something, so really happy with that. The aim was to try and get to do 120 before the end of the week and finish the race, obviously. And then I've just got out on the little Davies Yamaha. I got 2 laps on that. That's the first time I've done an actual flying lap. Few little chassis tweaks required, but these old girls, they're never going to be perfect, really. The motor's strong, but the chassis could do with a little bit of fettling, as one says. But I got 2 laps in, so that's us pretty much ready to race, I think, if I'm honest.
So just to clarify, you have to do 2 laps per bike or 3 laps per bike to qualify?
I hope it's 2. In my head, I'm saying 2.
Okay.
If anybody important's watching this, it's 2. What?
5 on all.
No, don't listen to him. He's just trying to stress me out.
And then tomorrow we've got a classic superbike practice in the morning.
Yeah, we've got a superbike practice in the morning, and then the 250 race, which I'm commentating on. So if anybody's got any questions or anything they want to say,
How many laps do you need to do to qualify?
Yeah, answer the questions, or if they want to ask any questions, and I'll say the answers out on about facts and stuff.
Cool. And what tweaks are you going to do to the 45 before tomorrow?
I don't know if you can see in the background, we're currently just putting in some stiffer fork springs. The bike started off really soft because they've only been used for parading and stuff on, so yeah, we started off at 9s front and back, and we've put 10s in now front and back, so just as the speed increases, just to give a bit more support. But yeah, the bike's going really well for something that we literally started a month ago and rushed to get ready, and we treated this as a year to see if it's possible to do properly, and then we're going to try and do a proper effort next year. So hopefully we can make the race, do 4 laps, I'll be more than happy. And I can see people waving at it. They're so happy to see the bike, because they're definitely not waving at me, so they're chuffed to bits to see the bike and hear the bike, and so that's what this place is all about.
They might have been waving because you saw your GoPro falling.
Oh man, don't. Yeah, my GoPro's broke off the tank of my 500. Somewhere between the start line and, I'm going to say, Ramsey.
Not far then?
Not far, but if someone finds it for me, I will put them on the vlog. I'll sign something, I'll give you something signed. Please find Lee's GoPro. Hashtag please find Lee's GoPro. Because I can't afford another one.
Okay, we'll catch you tomorrow after the race. Good luck tomorrow, mate.
Cool.